How to fix low call volume on iPhone. If you're in a call with someone, but the call is quite not audible, and it's in a fairly lower volume than what you expect it to be, and you're having trouble hearing to the audio. Now, sometimes it could just be a network issue, so you can try to call other people and see if the issue persists. If the issue is persisting with all of the calls that you're making on your iPhone, then we can come to a conclusion that there is something wrong with our device. Now, some of the things that we can apply is during the call, a basic thing is just try to increase the volume using the volume buttons manually whenever you are during a call with someone. So it could just be this that your volume or call volume is set to quite a lower amount. That is why it is not being audible. The second thing you can try to do is to simply open up settings, go to Bluetooth, and make sure to turn off Bluetooth to ensure that your call isn't being routed to a connected headset or device or to an external device. It could also be that there could have been any sort of dust or debris on the speaker or your receiver on your iPhone. So make sure to clean those surfaces as well. If you're using some kind of case that is blocking the audio or screen protector, make sure to remove them as well. You can also go ahead and then try to restart your iPhone to see if those helps you solve the problem. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.